Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this unique mascara and from a brand that I'm not familiar with. The brand is called Meloway and this is the Your Way Mascara. And this is a unique bendable brush, which sounds very cool. I'm very intrigued. I got this in my August 2022 Boxycharm premium box. So that unboxing video is up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. This mascara retails for $22. It's vegan, not tested on animals, paraben free, and I got this in the shade Super Black. Let's get into this. I like the packaging and this wand is very cool. I like the style of the wand just as it is here. It's like a spiral design. It's kind of bigger, so hopefully it's not going to be too messy, but it's like a spiky silicone applicator, which I like. But see, it can bend in all these different directions. Yeah, 4 different directions. I can't say that I've ever had a mascara wand where I was like, gosh, if I could just bend this wand, it would be perfect. I've never thought to actually want to bend my mascara wand at an angle, and I'm not even sure what angle I want to use, but I'm gonna go in starting like this. Let's just see how it does. But even the formula of this mascara sounds really nice, which I'm glad to see because I'm very picky with my mascaras. But it says it's supposed to keep the lashes separated, which I really like, give a falsy-like look, which is exactly what I try to achieve with my lashes. And it has nourishing ingredients like keratin, amino acids, argan oil, and red algae extract. So let's go ahead and see how this is on my lashes. I'm going to start out just applying it to one of my eyes. Even going in with it at this kind of slight angle, it does actually feel kind of weird. But let's see. I feel like I'm able to reach all the lashes, and it goes on kind of thick in a good way. It is making an immediate impact to the lashes. They're looking very dark, volumized. It's not sticking to the ends of the lashes right away, so we'll see if I can get it to stick there. So initially it's not very lengthening, but it is very volumizing at first. So trying to tap it onto the ends. Yeah, that seems to be working. I'm impressed with how much volume it's giving the lashes right away, because some mascaras take 3 coats to get this much volume. It is a little bit clumpy. It seems like a fiber mascara in a sense where it's looking a little clumpy and fuzzy on the lashes as I'm building it up. But it also does seem to be kind of curling. My lashes are a bit lifted. And as I'm continuing to brush through it, the lashes are not staying as separated as I would like. And I did get a little on my eyelid here, so let's see. Oh, good. It does just dust away. It doesn't smudge. I mean, I'm pretty impressed with how the top lashes are looking already, but for the fun of it, I'll probably try and layer it up a little bit more there. But let's go ahead and see how it is on these lower lashes. Yeah, the clumping on the lower lashes is not good, because then it's hard to brush through these clumps. So a little bit too difficult for the lower lashes in my opinion. The wand holds a lot of product, so dipping it back in, let's see. I mean, I really don't even feel like I need to build up these top lashes much, but for the fun of it, let's see how it continues to layer up. Yeah, I was not expecting the lashes to stick together like this based off of how it claimed to keep them very separated and fanned out. So I think that is where I'm going to stop. It's nice, but not blowing me away as far as the formula. And the wand, like I really don't need it to bend. It's not making it any easier. Let's go ahead and try it on the other eye. See, like I'm actually kind of keeping it relatively straight. Should I, for the fun of it, see what happens if I use it totally bent over? Like, they designed it to be bent like this, so there must be a reason, right? Gosh, this is so weird. Feels like at this angle I could get a little bit more curl and lifting to the lashes. But yeah, very clumpy formula, very sticky formula. The lashes are very stuck together. And I don't like clumpy, sticky mascaras. It is kind of cool how you can get a lot of volume right away, so you don't have to sit here layering and layering, which I definitely don't recommend layering and layering because the lashes just really stick together. So here's my finished mascara look, and it's fine, but I'm not as impressed as I was expecting to be with this. I thought I was done. I can't resist brushing through a little bit more, but it's really, the more I brush through, the worse it looks because of how clumpy and stuck together the lashes get. So I have to just stop. The wand still kind of cracks me up, but I feel like I could get used to it at an angle, but I don't need it to be at an angle. It didn't make things any easier. So I was very excited to try out this product, but I am very not super impressed. I would rather one of my drugstore mascaras over this one here. But if you've tried this out, let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you think the way the wand bends makes it any better or easier when you apply your mascara. But gosh, I feel like I've been trying out a lot of products in a row lately that I haven't been super impressed by. So I think it's about time that I try out an amazing product. That blows me away. But I guess we'll have to wait and see tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.